We're going to start out with This Land Is Your Land, which isn't technically a folk song because we know who wrote it. The strumming pattern. We are going to do 2 2-beat strums, down, down, up, down, down, up, for each chord. But you can just do down, 2, 3, 4. Or if you like the island strum, down. Here are the chords that you need if you're playing a regular ukulele, which makes it very beginner friendly. And here are the chords you need for a baritone ukulele. Our starting vocal pitch is a C. C, this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. I roamed and rambled and followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her diamond deserts, and all around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. When the sun came shining and I was strolling, and the wheat fields waving and the dust clouds rolling, as the fog was lifting, a voice was chanting. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me. Clementine. This only uses 2 chords in it, but a D chord can be quite challenging for people who are new to the ukulele, and for that I have 2 different resources, and I'll link them in the comments and in the description. This is very baritone friendly as well. Here's what your chords look like for the baritone. This is in 3, so you need to do a down, down, up, and a down, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. Our starting vocal pitch is a G. In a cavern. 1, 2, 3, ready, begin. In a cavern, in a canyon, excavating for a mine, dwelt a miner, 49er, and his daughter Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever. Yet oh sorry Clementine, like she was, like a fairy, and her shoes were number 9. Airing boxes without topses, they made shoes for Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and bare foot against a splinter fell into the foaming brine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry Clementine. Ruby lips above the water, glowing bubbles soft and fine. But alas, I was no swimmer, so I lost my Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry Clementine. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow and it would mean a lot to me. Thanks. Oh, Susanna, here's the chords you need for a regular ukulele, and the baritone chords are also very easy. We're going to be using a 2-beat strum on this. Down, 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 down. Each chord that's just regular gets 2 2-beat strums for 4 beats. 1, 2 of them. But if they are color-coded in yellow, they are only going to get 1 apiece, and you've got a G, D, G, like that. Our starting vocal pitch is a G, O. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, again. Oh, I come from Alabama with banjo on my knee, going to Louisiana, my true love for to see. Oh, Susanna, now don't you cry for me, for I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Rained all night the day I left, weather it was dry, sun so hot I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, now don't you cry for me, for I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Had a dream the other night when everything was still. Thought I saw Susanna coming up the hill. Oh, Susanna, now don't you cry for me, for I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Buckwheat cake was in her mouth, a tear was in her eye. I said, I'm coming from Dixieland, Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, now don't you cry for me, for I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. If you'd like a copy of all the chord charts for this, I've got it pinned in the comments down below and also in the description box. I've been working on the railroad. Here are the chords that you need for a regular ukulele. It's what they look like for a baritone, making it easy for both instruments. We're going to do the 2-beat strum. So a down, down, up, 2 times for each chord symbol that you see. Our starting vocal pitch is an A-I-ve. 1, 2, here we go. Can't you hear the captain shouting? this piece, but I like to do it in minor, and I've got a tutorial for that as well. Shenandoah. This is the hardest song in this collection. These are the chords you need if you're on a regular ukulele, and here are the chords that you need if you're on a baritone ukulele. We're going to keep the strumming pattern 2-beat strum, down, down, up, but there's only one per chord, and there are times where you have to change one beat, another beat, and those are slash, slash, like that. Oh, is our starting vocal pitch. 1, 2, 3, again. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you away, your rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you away, I'm bound across the wide Missouri. Oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. Away, your rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. I'm bound away, across the wide Missouri. Oh, Shenandoah, I'm bound to leave you away, you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I'm bound to leave you away, I'm bound away, across the wide Missouri. I hope you've enjoyed playing these with me. I have some other play-alongs, so come join me and do some more songs that you probably know.